Good morning, Dr. Evans. I wanted to discuss Mr. Thompson's case, the 58-year-old with uncontrolled hypertension despite being on amlodipine. His latest readings are still around 160 over 95, and he's complaining of persistent fatigue. I noticed his potassium is slightly low at 3.2. Could that be contributing?
Thanks, Dr. Mihira. He's also on hydrochlorothiazide, which might explain the hypokalemia. Should we switch to a potassium-sparing diuretic or just supplement? His renal function is stable.
Good observation. But here's the issue. His fatigue might not just be from the diuretic. His heart rate's been elevated, and he's had intermittent palpitations. I'm wondering if the amlodipine is causing reflex tachycardia, which could worsen his hypertension control.
That makes sense, Dr. Mihira. Would switching to an ARB like losartan help? It wouldn't lower potassium further, and it might reduce the tachycardia.
Exactly. Let's taper the amlodipine and start losartan. Monitor his BP and potassium closely. If fatigue persists, we'll need to consider sleep apnea, but for now, the medication change should address the key problem.
MIHIRAA, dealing with a urinary tract infection can be both uncomfortable and exhausting, but taking a few gentle steps can make a world of difference in helping your body heal and keeping future infections at bay. Day-to-day, simple daily habits can serve as your best defense. Taking your time to fully empty your bladder whenever you go, always wiping from front to back, and choosing breathable cotton underwear all help create an environment where unwanted bacteria struggle to thrive. It is also wonderfully helpful to avoid harsh bubble baths or perfumed soaps around sensitive areas, as these can easily cause irritation. Most importantly right now, please ensure you complete your full course of antibiotics exactly as prescribed, even if you start feeling completely back to your usual self before the medicine runs out. Stopping early leaves the strongest bacteria behind, which allows the infection to return and increases the risk of antibiotic resistance. Finishing every single dose guarantees that all harmful bacteria are eliminated, giving your body the fresh, healthy, clean slate it truly deserves.